an hour with the help of an Xbox. But I need Valkyrie to fasten our shoes because we can't tie our own laces. As you can see, I'm not wearing any shoes. One can journey through cyberspace with the flick of a joystick, but their bedroom is a maze of yesterday's clothes and last week's lunch. A place where homework fails to come back from, and mold grows silently on last month's socks. And yet again, the mother appears from the dusty haze. Get this mess cleaned up or else. Thank God for all else. Because what that really means is, if you live long enough, she'll clean it for you. That way, you don't have to waste any time learning how to clean up after yourself. And the mother gets to feel useful. It's a win-win-win. Bring back Forrest Gump's mama, I say. She told him how to tie his shoelaces. She told him the difference between right and wrong and how to use his common sense. She told him that stupid is and stupid does. Forrest lived by the rules of common sense.